What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now from here tap on the software version and check if your phone have a update or not. So if you have a update available here, then update your phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the software the screen not responding issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone, and after restarting your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any screen protector, then remove the screen protector and clean your screen with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the screen the not responding issue to touches will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.